Nowadays, Indian government has a lot of focus on building a good infrastructure. Government is building road, highway, bridge, railway station, airport, and many more. Infrastructure is like a foundation for the growth. Many data suggest that India is going to be a third largest economy after US and China. If India wants to become a third largest economy, if India wants to grow, infrastructure has to be developed. Without building a good infrastructure, India cannot become a third largest economy. India cannot grow. That's why Indian government has a lot of focus on building a good infrastructure. When we want to build a good infrastructure, one of the key raw material is going to be a pipes. That's why Indian piping sector has a huge growth potential. Hello friends, this is Vijay and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about one piping stock which is Astral Limited. As usual, I am going to discuss about business model of Astral, future growth, competitive advantage, leadership, financial, valuation. Friends, you can stay till the end because you will be learning a lot in this video. Let's get started. Astral, which is incorporated in 1996, Astral is one of the fastest growing piping company in India. Astral manufactures CPVC and PVC pipes in India. Over the last 15 years, Astral has become a leader in piping segment. Not only pipe, Astral now it has become one of the real estate ancillary companies in India and serving millions of people. If you look at the business model of Astral, company has 7 high growth business. The first one is piping. Piping segment, it manufactures agriculture pipe, plumbing pipe, drainage pipe, industrial pipe, fire protection system, cable protection system and many more. Second one is water tanks. Company also manufactures high quality water tanks. The third one is adhesive and sealant product, wherein company manufactures epoxy adhesive putty, silicone sealant, instant adhesive, construction chemical, rubber adhesive, tapes and many more. The fourth one is raw material for urban infrastructure. When we are building the roads, bridge, underpass and tunnel, the piping system will play very important role. To build this infrastructure, Astral will provide a variety of pipes. Fifth one is facet and sanitary ware. Recently, Astral has entered into the sanitary ware business also, wherein Astral offers sanitary ware products such as toilets, facet, showers and many more. Sixth one is paint. Recently, Astral has entered into the paint segment also by acquiring a stake in Jam Paint. The seventh one is specialized walls. Astral also manufactures specialized walls for piping system. If you look at the competitive advantage of Astral, the first one is strong brand name. Over the last 15 years, Astral has done a lot of research and innovation in piping segment. It had introduced a lot of newer technology. So now it has become a leader in CPVC piping segment. The second one is Astral is also known for a high quality product. The third one is strong product portfolio. Astral not only presence in piping segment, it has strong presence in adhesive, paints, sanitary ware and list will go on. Strong distribution network. Across the India, Astral Limited has got 2,700 distributor and 193 dealers across the India. The next one is world-class manufacturing capabilities and technical tie-ups. Over the last 25 years, Astral has built a world-class manufacturing capabilities. Company has a manufacturing capacity of in piping segment 2,75,000 metric ton per annum. In adhesive segment 96,000 metric ton per annum. Next one is strong marketing campaign. Astral spends good amount of money for marketing campaign. In 2014, Salman Khan was the brand ambassador of Astral. Now Ranveer Singh is the brand ambassador for Astral. In South India, Allu Arjun is the brand ambassador for the Astral. Along with that, it is also sponsored 3 IPL teams. The first one is Gujarat Titan, second one is Mumbai Indians and Chennai Super King. If you look at the competitors in piping segment, there is a competition from Supreme Industry, Pinolax Industry, Prince Pipe. In adhesive segment, Fidelite Industry is the leader in adhesive segment. Nowadays, Indian government has launched 2 important schemes. The first one is Har Ghar Jal and Jal Jeevan Machine. The goal of this scheme is to provide drinking water services to rural part, which will create a lot of demand for piping segment. Second one is infrastructure development. As we know that nowadays Indian government has a lot of focus on building a good infrastructure. They are building road, bridge, highway, railway station, airport. To build this infrastructure, pipe is one of the very essential raw material. Pipe is also used in agriculture, construction, industrial, so which will fuel the growth of piping sector in India. Indian piping sector, which is estimated to be a 400 US billion dollar, wherein 65% of market share is controlled by organized player. The last 5 years, Indian piping sector has grown with a CAGR of 10%. By 2025, Indian piping sector, which is expected to grow at 600 US billion dollar. As we know that Astral is the leader in piping segment. Friends, if you look at the revenue breakups over the last 5 years, revenues have grown from 2,500 crores to 5,100 crores. If you look at the net profits over the last 5 years, profits have grown from 200 crores to 461 crores. In last year, there is a fall in the profit. It is because of increasing cost for our raw materials. If you look at the return on equity, which has improved from 15% to 16%. If you look at the debt to equity, every year company has been reducing the debt currently, which is stood at 0.03%, which is very less, which is good for long-term investment. If you look at the shareholding pattern, currently promoters, they're having around 55% of shareholding pattern. If you look at the FIs, they are the net sellers. They have reduced the shareholding from 20% to 15%. If you look at the DIs, they are the net buyers. They have increased the shareholding from 8% to 15%. If you look at the valuation, currently stock is trading around 2000 rupees with a P of 110, which looks very expensive. As a long-term investor, what you can do, you can invest in a systematic manner, or else you can wait for the right correction, then you can buy. Friends, in this video, we discussed about fundamental analysis of Astral Limited. Astral is the leader in piping segment. Not only piping, they have strong presence in adhesive segment. They are entering into the sanitary ware. They are entering into the paint industry. Overall, we can expect a lot more growth in the future. Friends, this video is only for education purpose. This is not a buy and sell recommendation. I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, please to subscribe, please to share it with your community. Thank you so much.